Okay.
Yes.
But let me see.
Yes.
No more with kitchen.
Yes. This is
Oh.
pool view.
Two pool, one
View.
pool.
This pool is building B, but here is garden.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Pool and pool upside.
Yes.
Facing sunset west.
Sunset is top floor.
Oh, sunset.
Have two swimming pool here, swimming pool and top floor swimming
Oh,
pool.
okay.
Have two swimming pool. Yes, this washing machine is bungalow.
Okay.
Yes, this is garden view. This toilet.
Same one. Same picture.
Yeah, this thing.
Yeah, base
This
is
inside.
very big. Base very big. Actually, let me see the pool.
Because base is facility, more facility area.
More people in the base than edge.
Yes, yes. Because it's central. If you want low floor, I think around 2.4 or 2.5 million baht like this. You can take middle floor. Yes.
Yeah, 7 million. You know.
No, 7 million.
No, I mean at the edge 7 million.
Too much.
I go. I'd rather spend 5 million
Yes,
on
because
living.
this price is before COVID also this price, and now also this price same price. A price is not up. This room cannot. This room is expensive.
Why
This I
the
just show types. This is a sea view.
sea view?
One bathroom, and a living room, kitchen, or total around 35 square meter. This is glass door. Yes, same this. This is kitchen. The washing machine here. Yeah. This is
Sea view. How much this one?
now around 3.5 million baht. You can buy sea view, 19th floor, 3.5 million baht.
Better than the edge. Edge only studio.
Yeah, but
It's too
this
small. This one.
This is 35 square meter. I have another room I can show you.
How much is a 2-bedroom in the edge? The 35?
In the edge.
Yeah. Smaller, right?
7.8 million baht.
Yeah, but how many square meter? The 70.
50 square meter. 50
Oh.
to have only two
Yeah.
type, 50 square meter and 55 square
Oh,
meter.
almost the same.
Yes.
But yeah.
Yes, Centric Sea also not bad.
Centric
And
Sea, huh? Centric Plaza. Is it near
no,
Centric?
No. The
Centric
Centric Sea.
Sea.
Colonia in this road.
Let me see if I have a map. But that's good.
This is they have 3 buildings.
3 buildings, Centric
Yes,
Sea.
the base is have only 2 buildings, right?
Yeah.
Building A and B. HA only building.
Yeah.
And Centric Sea have 3 buildings.
Can
building
you
A,
use
B,
all
C.
the pool?
Yes, every building have pool.
Pool, yeah.
Yes.
I like.
This
Wow.
is a top floor,
Top
a
floor,
swimming pool,
sure.
building A.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes, this building A. The building is same like this.
Let me see if I have map for Centric Sea.